news this evening. Heart Trust and STA to roll out massive program to ease skilled labor shortage. Haitian orphans and caregivers arrive in Portland. And starting details challenges hindering the completion of the census.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's coming business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, quite a number of persons have been complaining about the high cost of real estate, whether for commercial or residential use. Well, stakeholders in the real estate sector are optimistic this evening. I'll have those details and more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. I know it's champs time, but we have some football news. Giovanni Dennis is here to give us a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports.
Well, Herman, at halftime, Jamaica's Reggae Boys are leading the United States by 1-0 in semi-final action from the CONCACAF Nations League semi-final. Well, defender Craig Lee headed the Jamaicans in the lead after just 36 seconds. Fastest goal ever by Jamaica. I'll have the details of that plus so much more.
That is absolutely amazing. And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We have a dry period coming up over the next couple of days, but the rain is expected to return at the start of next week.
Okay, well, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the Prime Minister's budget presentation?
Now you can share your comments with us. Share them online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.